Welcome to the Pierpoint Alpha Community. I'm Roy Zimmerhansl. I'm the founder of the club, and I'm so excited that you could join me today. The PAC is a unique membership designed specifically for the securities finance community. You know, I've been involved with security services for over 40 years and full-time in securities finance since 1992, but I feel like I'm still learning. I know many other people who feel the same way about their own careers, be they new to the business or seasoned veterans. The answer we came up with is the PAC, where each month members get one live course or tutorial with a specific topic chosen by members and curated either by a Pierpoint partner or a recognized expert. For example, in recent months, we've had sessions on long-short hedge fund strategies, pledge collateral, and securities finance taxation. Additionally, each month we host live Q&A sessions where members can bring any questions on securities finance topics. Members also benefit from the online forum that brings together a community of people who can exchange views, information, and ask questions on topics in a way that just doesn't happen anywhere else. Add in networking events, the book club we started in April, savings on courses, and other special features that we're continuing to roll out, and it's a comprehensive environment for continuous professional development. All that for less than the price of a Starbucks coffee a day. Invest in yourself and add alpha to your securities finance career today.